Hello everyone, this is my response for Lab Module 4. My specific purpose is to inform my audience about how plastic pollution is threatening marine life, and the central idea states that constant pollution of our oceans is threatening the health of marine mammals and is causing them to confuse plastics for food, eat microplastics that are not visible, and get trapped within plastic. An example I wrote down is, in an academic journal regarding marine plastic pollution, experts state that chemical additives in plastic products found in marine ecosystems cause endocrine disruption, developmental issues, and reproductive abnormalities. Imagine the impact that this would all have if a marine mammal were to consume these plastics. When thinking about this topic, questions like, in what ways would their life be altered, and what new difficulties would they have to overcome, arise? Another example I wrote down was, concerning the cruelty that plastic pollution can cause to marine mammals, a National Geographic magazine issue from 2018 verbally shows the dead albatross, its stomach with refuse, the seal snared in a discarded fishing net. These are just two examples that illustrate the disturbing impacts caused by plastic pollution. The first statistic I wrote down says individual mammal populations with marine ecosystem experience the impact of plastic population more than others, as explained in the book The Plastic Problem, where it states, in one study estimated that 52% of all sea turtles worldwide have eaten plastic debris, while it is estimated that 52% of these sea turtle population have consumed at least some plastic during their life. Imagine how many of that 52% died or were in agony their entire life. Another statistic I wrote down says, one important thing to realize in all of this is that many people lack any form of education regarding this topic. In a class survey I composed, I asked the question, have you ever studied or taken an environmental science class? The results showed that only 2 out of the 9 recipients had taken the class in the past. This statistic is important because it allows me to see that people lack proper education in this subject. The first testimony I wrote down states, when it comes to understanding the amount of plastic that has polluted our oceans, expert scientists' findings explained in the New York Times stated that 5 major garbage patches in our oceans comprise as much as 40% of our planet's ocean surface. This sounds like a very horrific statistic, and that's because it is. Marine mammals have endured this terrible actions by humans for ages, and it is only normal to think of how many mammals have been impacted by this pollution. Thank you.